Hello, my name is Laszlo and I come from Middle Europe. First of all, sorry about my English, but I'm learning at the moment too. I would like to tell you who is Vladimir Rybakov for me and for my family. In one sentence, he's a man who gave me future, knowledge and believe into myself. 2 years ago I lost my job and I couldn't find a new job, and at this time born two beautiful babies and I'm scared. So decided I will learning everything about Forex through internet, ebooks, trainings and everything, but I couldn't use profitable this knowledge in the Forex. And in this time Vladimir Rybakov find me and showed me how is working Forex easily, how is working many important rules, for example money management, technical analysis and so on. So step by step everything was much clear. And what is the best thing for me, what is the most important thing for me, Vladimir showed me how can I put my personality into the Forex, and now I have some own indicators and own strategies, and I'm a full-time trader. So what can I say, it's fantastic. Vlad share his tradings every day through his signal service, through Skype and through daily trading rooms, and every member can enjoy this this daily trading room. So it's very easy and it's very simple. And I think if I can learning the Forex without English, everybody can learn. Vlad saying every time our language is the Forex, you know, and that's all. So what can I say? Thank you very much everything, my friend. Take care. Bye.